10 countries where Black people can get citizenship fast. Yeah, you heard that right. Not decades of waiting, not backdoor hustles, and definitely not a lifetime in immigration limbo. We're talking real passports, real rights, and real opportunities. Faster than you thought possible. Because let's be honest, the global playing field, it isn't exactly even. Some countries welcome you like a long-lost cousin, while others act like you crashed a private dinner party. But what if I told you that there are countries out there rolling out the red carpet for Black people? Places where your roots matter, your hustle is respected, and your presence is valued, from citizenship by ancestry to fast-track naturalization. From dual passports to a sense of belonging, these countries don't just tolerate the African diaspora, they celebrate it. So, if you're ready to swap stress for freedom and passport problems for powerful new possibilities, hit that like button, subscribe to Apply Facetribbles, and let's dive into your passport to a new life. Risk number 1. Ghana asterisk. Let's kick things off with the motherland itself, Ghana. In 2019, Ghana launched the Year of Return, calling home the African diaspora, not just for tourism, but for reconnection, restoration, and yes, even citizenship. Thousands of African Americans made the journey. Some stayed, some cried. Many left with land deeds, local business plans, and the first real taste of what belonging can feel like. Ghana makes it easier for people of African descent to become naturalized citizens. No need for ancestral records going back generations. Just prove your connection to the African diaspora, show commitment, and with government backing, you could be holding a Ghanaian passport in your hand in as little as 2 to 3 years. Number 2. Brazil. Next stop, Brazil, where the soul of Africa lives loud. In South America, over half of Brazil's population has African ancestry, making it the second largest Black population in the world outside of Nigeria. Here, being Black is not just about color, it's about culture, rhythm, and resilience. While Brazil doesn't offer automatic citizenship by ancestry, it does offer permanent residency through investment, marriage, and even humanitarian pathways. And after just 4 years of legal residency, or 1 year if you're married to a Brazilian, you can apply for full citizenship. If you've got Afro roots, you'll find something strangely familiar here. From the food to the music to the way strangers treat you like family. Number 3. Barbados. Now let's vibe with the Caribbean. Please say hello to Barbados. Barbados has been making major moves. Their welcome stamp visa brings in digital nomads. But what most people don't realize is that it can also be a stepping stone to residency and eventually citizenship. Stay legally for 5 years, and you can apply for permanent residency. After that, just 2 more years and you're eligible for Bajan citizenship. No need to denounce your original nationality. They allow dual citizenship. Barbados has deep respect for its African roots, and many Black travelers say it feels like a blend of Africa and the West. Plus, it's politically stable, English-speaking, and absolutely gorgeous. Number 4. St. Kitts and Nevis. Ever thought about buying a second passport? St. Kitts and Nevis makes it easier than anywhere else. This twin island nation was the first country in the world to offer a citizenship by investment program, and it's still one of the fastest. Donate $250,000 to the Sustainable Island State Fund, and you could have your passport in less than 3 months. No need to live there, no language tests, no interview. If you're looking for fast-track citizenship with visa-free access to over 150 countries, St. Kitts is a serious contender. It's not cheap, but for high-net-worth individuals in the diaspora, it's a straight shot to global mobility. Number 5. Sierra Leone. Now this one's emotional. Sierra Leone, where your DNA might just be your ticket home. Sierra Leone is one of the only countries in the world offering citizenship to members of the African diaspora who can prove lineage through DNA testing, specifically through African Ancestry's certified results. You get invited, taken, through a welcoming ceremony, and then citizenship. No years of waiting, no endless bureaucracy. It's powerful. It's personal. It's a homecoming. For many, it's the first time they've ever felt the world say, "You belong here." Number 6. Antigua and Barbuda looking for a low-tax, high-sun passport? Let's talk about Antigua and Barbuda, with a minimum donation of $100,000 too. The National Development Fund or an approved real estate purchase, you can get a passport in 3 to 6 months. And it's a solid one, visa-free travel to 150-plus countries, including the UK and EU. Black investors, athletes, and even artists have used this route to get second citizenship without all the hoops. The process is clean, efficient, and respects your time. Number 7. Dominica doesn't get enough credit, but it's one of the most affordable, reputable options out there. Just $100,000 and a clean background check can get you a passport in a few months. Dominica doesn't play games. They've been consistent, reliable, and widely respected in the citizenship by investment world. Plus, Dominica embraces its African heritage in a deep way. From culture to politics, Black identity isn't just visible, it's the foundation. Number 8. Cape Verde. This little island off the coast of West Africa might be your secret weapon. Cape Verde welcomes descendants of Cape Verdeans, but they also offer paths to citizenship through long-term residence or marriage. And yes, dual citizenship is allowed. Many Black expats describe it as the perfect blend of African warmth and European charm with low crime, solid infrastructure, and a laid-back lifestyle. Number 9. Nigeria surprised. Nigeria might not be easy, but for the diaspora, there's hope. Nigeria has no formal DNA-based return program yet, but they're working on laws that allow African American and Afro-Caribbean descendants to reclaim citizenship through heritage ties. Some states have already welcomed diaspora returnees. If you've got roots in Nigeria, you could gain permanent residency, special visas, or even full citizenship, especially if you invest in the country's future. Number 10. Haiti. Last but not least, the first Black republic in the world, Haiti. Haiti recognizes dual citizenship, and if you have Haitian ancestry or marry a Haitian citizen, you can apply for citizenship faster than many. Realize Haiti is proud, revolutionary, and deeply rooted in Black liberation. While the country faces challenges, many in the diaspora are returning not just to visit, but to rebuild and reclaim. You don't need to be stuck in one system. Your passport doesn't have to define your future. These 10 countries, they see you, they welcome you. And in many cases, they'll call you one of their own. So which country speaks to your soul? Drop it in the comments. And if you're serious about taking the next step, subscribe, because I've got full guides on how to apply, who to contact, and how to move smart. Until next time, travel well, live free, and claim what's yours.